ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Napdeng Kynta pulangon ke samla pulik play konya ke national eligibility come entrance test undergraduate klashakni klam dala pendap bantho ekenik examen nakadaw bakadon gejungnya Thurmur hakbasam question paper shiki samla ke konya ke examen. Kini gejing Thurmur bansam question paper link by ke national testing agency klapau perthai ke santri ujemang ara cara pusau baya kini ke examen na penlong ha Alpha English Higher Secondary School kumkuwe na ke code center belaje dekat national testing agency. Kumalapaw ka diga jingja laong balasam do atli ki question paper shiki samla buwan tho ya kini examen jonga Neet kata kuwi ki question paper ke bawan na ka State Bank of India but kuwi pat ke bawan na Canara Bank but dei hadin shikinta shiteng bakalayat ke po na kalyang ki board badai pet ya ka center kriyo jingtim bakuwi na preng ki atli ki question paper set kedai ke babakla but buwan ni ki samla ki kumpenlut ya ka por ban pendap shwa ya ka jingkeli ja ka question paper ke babakla but ki hab biang ban tho da kuwi klam da ai por ya ki hak baki hab ban pendap tang shikinta shiteng wala ki dei ban yo por ban tho ek examen lai kenta kat kum ka por balabo ki bo ni ki samla ki layam bat ngosi ye kani ki jingla Thurmur ha ka jing penlong ek national eligibility come entrance test bat dawa ye ka NTA ban penlong da ku ek examen
Bangkok ni kisam atli ka paper ha ka jo ko por te habang ikli ya ki kano bangin de ban tho ki ong ban tho lang baro al te ngila kali hi ban ong ban tho shwa ka eru ki ong tho lang baro ar tingir ngi tho lang baro ar ke ki don ki ba tho shwa ka to ka badai don ki ba tho shwa ka bom dei be ki to ki bom ba tho pare ka bom dei pat ki lo ki shwan ong no pat hamar siteng jong ka exam ba kam dei ka to tho no ka to ka ba r1 te kum nong in tho pat ban pendap ya ka to hamar siteng jong ka exam ba ru ka por kin ai khndiat bha ka extra yang ni ka tai aba long bakan syai bat bangin tho biang sejisin nama kenang bangin sutu ya ka ega balaj bat ka ega badai tang kata
उन लोगों ने इन्विजिलेटर ने पहले 2 पेपर दिया 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर फिर हम लोगों ने पूछा कि ये 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर से कौन सा करना है तो उन लोगों ने बोला कि हमें नहीं पता हमें बस उतना इंस्ट्रक्शन मिला है कि दोनों करना है तो ठीक है हम लोगों ने दोनों कर लिया मुझे 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर मिला था एक था S1 और एक था 02 तो मैंने पहले किया 02 को तो 02 मेरा आधा हो चुका था आफ्टर 1.5 आवर वो लोग बोला कि ये 02 को नहीं करना है S1 को करना है तो मेरे पास बचा टाइम सिर्फ 1.5 आवर था तो 1.5 आवर में तो उतना 720 मार्क्स कंप्लीट करना बहुत मुश्किल था तो वी जस्ट डिमांड कि हमें एक्स्ट्रा हम फिर से एग्ज़ाम लिखने का मौका मिलना चाहिए
तो आप जो
मतलब कि हम लोगों ने टाइम तो नहीं मांगा बट हुआ ऐसा कि होल ईयर हम लोगों ने वो प्लान कर लिया कि यस 3 आवर्स एग्ज़ाम होगा 720 मार्क्स देन सडनली उन लोगों ने बोला नहीं सिर्फ एक पेपर करना है 1.5 आवर में तो वो कुछ ऐसा हिट किया कि मतलब वी कांट डू एनीथिंग एनीमोर फ्रीज हो गया माइंड हमें
long ba hadin ba ki khna kilami da exam kadan ke jing yam ngi sirsi sene sabar te habang la tawat chimut bakli I balai bala ja kumta nagaryang ki ong bang klami on pandap lut pantho de exam namar ba ga jaka ba kapor kan nong lai kanta na banta news pa po ma ki ha bana tem jing sha khat sau spa sang po ma te andang bang la kli bai ni khna ki ong ba don gi ba tho da kata ka arwon kabade gane ka wei ba don gi ba tho da gane ka artu kane gade ka arwon kane gade ka n2 te kina hagama sedang gila tho da kane ka ping kabade ka n2 gila jandap mo gila tho da kane ka n2 gila jandap almost complete te siteng ne ta ka porpat inaga yang ngini ki bot nya yang nen kat instructor ki ong ba kane kam desu cancel no ba tho bade da kane ka arwon te ha ka por ba gila sedang mo tho ine ka arwon pat ka por galan kot palak yo por satang ku maskin tai dan nagalyang nuki ki ai por tang ar minit men penda bantho news pa aku mak tang sikenta ar minit kalong ek ka ba than ni khna jadi nei tai dau hadin bal awai ka tai ngilang ke nu I principal ne te principal ni ong ba kamle ki jing bakala ne le khnang namar ba nagalyang jong gi bor ba dei pha na NTA ki pha art ligi set kata ga wena Canara Bank ka ba dei ga ne but nas SBI ka bade ka ne ka ba stem ne te kila cancel no but kila ong kumta bade bela ikna te haita ipor balangkot ngilawan kendu I mla on sim no ka destination mo te kane ki priang but kane ki cancel te habang ilai kendu I principal I mla ban ai kana ka clarification habi dei bat kira ki kena te ki si ong bai ka jing bakala ka di nangta te ha ka basdang ni ro yang ni ngila ong hito su hun la ka hun ne komno ande anda bang ila lit saying ngilap i phun na ki wi phun call don ki basau si don ki bala yam don ki ba bom te tia te dam su na ka dau ba kimi tho da te kata ka exam ni ti te kan ne pi kala penlong ye ki kimi ki pa penlong artetin bakane ka jing kendok ene ka exam nang bakane ka NTA kala long ka jing bomhun kala long on fairments mo kala long jing bomhun te bang ta bat kalawi jang ki khna habai dei baka pule dang le jang ki kala long ka ka pop na ki pop ka basni tam mal bangimla ban ya sacrifice de bat ka future jang ki khna te lengba jang ki ne kinten te nang liang jang ni ngilai kendu ya imam bangilai rai lang menta ban da ka we ki jingmut rangkat I madam nang ne bade sentar kut bat mangi ki kimi pa jong ki ne khna bangin hak segi bor de pet rangkat ki sigina shor jing khna school ne ki khna ele kene Neet bakin san bat tho I kerteng bat ki school jing ti.
Actually, we were very happy as a school to accept Center for the Neet exams because we thought that we can serve our people around this area better. They won't have to go far away anywhere like in that way. We were very, readily accepted the thing, that the responsibility, and we said we will go ahead with it. Then we had prepared, of course we did not get to go for the orientation program call to Delhi because it was not possible. Short notice they had given, and we are not free also to go there. And then number two is that we had tried to go for orientation online, but the thing is always full. We really did not get, literally. So with the number of institutions that they have, the centers all over the country. So what happened is we had strictly read the guidelines given by the NTA. We had followed strictly by those, and there was nowhere in the guideline that we will be given 2 sets of questions. And so we informed the Deputy Commissioner. He had appointed a magistrate to follow an order. He had written to the SP for security, and then for all uninterrupted supply of power and the Wi-Fi connection and all of that stuff. They were very helpful and supportive, and then we were happy. And then on Friday, the SBI branch manager called me and said, "Ma'am, you can come and collect the NTA parcel on Sunday, 1 hour before exams." I said, "Fine, okay, 1 o'clock I'll come." And then Saturday he sent a message. He said, as per NTA guidelines, you can collect even at 9 o'clock. So we don't want to keep the people for too long in the bank. And then so I said, okay, fine, I'll come and collect at 9 o'clock on Sunday morning. Then yesterday morning, that was Sunday, I got a call from the branch manager of the Canara Bank, and he said, "Ma'am, there's a parcel for you in connection with NTA Neet exams." I said, okay. Being the first time, I thought I had just to go and collect it. So went and collected the parcel from the Canara Bank as well. So we came here, I think the box could not be opened until 1:15, and so like that. And then after opening the box, everything was set. The biometric team had come, frisking was done, all of that thing. The rooms were set and all. And then we opened the box, and what happened is we found both the boxes, and we found that there are 2 sets of questions of 720 marks each. So we said maybe since I tried calling the director of NTA, sending message to them. Absolutely, I find that there's such lack of communication from their side. So then I said maybe the students who had gone for coaching, I think they know that they will be getting 2 sets, and maybe the easier one they'll choose, and then they'll submit accordingly. And then when the exam started, and then about another 1.5 hour, 1 hour plus, I got somehow to call the thing, because I checked with the attendance sheet, the sheet of the students, I think there's only one place to fill up the, the kata, the thing. So I said I should somehow get them. I called some people from NTA who are, I think they said, no, we are not in the exams. Exam people will know. So somehow I got the director, Mr. Vijay Kumar. I got him and he said, oh, he just said, you should have given the SBI question bank. I said, so we didn't know.
Which is the correct one?
Maybe, according to him. We didn't know because we got 2 boxes. Nobody had told us that do this or do that. I mean, yesterday evening when those parents, students came after we collected, say that around 7:30 they came. So we had collected the papers and there's no rule that I should allow them to go back and sit there. Had they just express a little bit during the exams, when the exams were going on, I would have surely extended the time and allow them to complete. Yes, but when the parents and the students came yesterday around 7:30, it was too late for me to go back and make them sit, and that is not the exams rule as it is also. But otherwise, if there's any help I can do, I'm willing to. Yes, so when parents give us a memorandum, yes, but otherwise most students, say we had 65 total number of candidates, 62 appeared, like were present. Most of them had completed. Most of them. But I don't blame the students. Say some students are slow in writing or maybe have completed like that. But yes, if these parents and students, they give a memorandum officially, I will also officially contact the NTA. I will try to help. If we have to reconduct the exams, no problem. We are always open for that. Okay.